Alright, guys, welcome back. So, this is another video of this playlist. Here you can see ways 6 make money online with online tutoring. You can say tutoring or anything. So, basically, this is something which is very important or useful for people who know how to teach. So, teach English or other subjects on platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Tutor.com. So, these are the three basic platforms for teachers with if you're somebody who have no any experience or who's just like starting out as a teacher and want to experience uh how you can actually teach or how you can actually teach students. So let me show you what are these platforms looks like. So just come up on Google and then here you can see search Preply. So this is the first website. You need to open this one, and the second website is Cambly. Again, come up on Google and then search camblytutor.com. So here you can see English tutor online. So just open this one. And then we have the third website, which is tutor.com. So this website, the first website, let me show you how it actually works. So so here you can see learn faster with the best one-on-one English tutors or for you. So on this platform, you can actually teach English, and you can also what do you want to learn? English. As a students, they're actually asking you English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese. I guess there are tons and tons of languages that as a student, if a student just come up on here and then they will see, oh, I would like to go with English. So just come up on this website and see. I don't know why this is not. Again, let me just come up on this. Just here you can see tutor with Cambly get paid to chat with people from around the world. So this is a fun thing, I would say. When you just chat with people in a certain language, just get started and just see what type of criteria or requirement they want from teachers. So just sign up and then give it a shot and just check out yourself what type of thing that you can teach. Here we have third platform, which is tutor.com. So 4,000 plus expert tutor in 250 plus subjects, tutoring that improves the student outcomes. So again, this is an amazing website. Join us. Here you can see. Scroll down here. You can see join us, work for us, become a tutor. So just click on this and then see the requirements. What requirements they actually want. So on these platforms, you just need to see. You need to check out the platform requirement and then create a class for create a class on a particular subject that you want to teach to the students, and that's how it works. I guess that's pretty much it. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. Or if you want to just started with these three platforms and then go with other platforms. There are tons and tons of other platforms as well, but these are the three basic platforms that you should try out. And that's pretty much it for this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.